Hi everybody, my name is Claude Ayman. I'm a Java developer who discovered Android when Google released its first SDK on November 2007. You maybe know me through the application AndroPan, which won last year the fourth prize at the SFR Young Talent Developer Contest. This free application allowed the user to take, view, and share panoramic picture. But I'm here to talk about the StoreGun project. So, when you are shopping, most of the time it is to satisfy a need by buying something. So, a lot of questions come in your mind, which are, what can satisfy my needs? Which product? If you have some ecological or political consideration, where does this product come from? Or who made it and how it is made? But the most important question is, how much costs this product? So I decided to create the StoreGun project, which tried to give answer to most of those questions about the products. Many ways exist to identify a product, and the most used is the one-dimensional barcode, containing a unique key. This unique key gives us already some answer to the question, as who made it, or where from does it come from. Another type of barcode exists as the two-dimensional barcode, or QR code, which can hold up to 4,296 alphanumerical characters. So if this barcode is encoded following some rules and structures, it can also answer to many other questions, as for example, the energy value, the factory GPS coordinates, or the ingredients, and so on. But all the information can fit into this little graphic, as for example, the picture of the product. So we need a system or a database in order to find or stock the missing information. All of them, except the price, come from the manufacturer. The price can be given by the retailer or shopkeeper. But every manufacturer, and surely retailer as hypermarket and supermarkets, wouldn't give this kind of information. So, every consumer using the StoreGun project can contribute to replace them, and so create a community. As for example, the site carbu.be, where the community helps to know the fuel price in the station in Belgium. With the Android StoreGun application, the user can create a shopping cart. First, he chooses the store in a list based on the Google Place. Secondly, he scans the product or introduces the unique key. Next, he introduced the quantity, and at the end, the price shown in the department store. At the end, he can check if his total in the application equals the total at the bottom of his ticket. Of course, if your total is higher, you say nothing, you do nothing, and you run away. But in the other case, you have the right to receive the difference. So, when you finished your shopping, you can submit your information to the database. On the website, we know which product has been sold, when, where, and the most important, for which price. To encourage the community, points are given by information submitted by the participant. On the site, you can also create your own shopping list, which can be downloaded in the Android application. So this is the current version of the StoreGun project. In the future, when more and more information as the price will be known, a price comparator will be added. So you agree that a bottle of Coke satisfies the same needs as a can, but it is different from a Diet Coke, and even more different than a Pepsi can. So we can't compare price between apples and pears. So, imagine you just finished your ketchup bottle and you had planned tomorrow to organize a barbecue. So, you scan you scan your empty bottle. As you can see, the product, the ketchup, 1,000 grams, is sold for €3.19 at Deleuze. But if you compare the same needs based on the standard value as the liter or the kilogram, you discover that the 1,350 gram bottle is relatively 10% cheaper at Colruyt. The only difference that satisfies this need is the distance to the shop and maybe how welcome you are in the store. For example, is there music or not? So imagine that we had also on our shopping list a 6-pack of Coke, bottle 1.5 liters. After some calculation, the programs tell us to go buy the 1.5 liters Coke bottle at Deleuze and the big ketchup at Colruyt for a total of €13.42. If you decided to go only to Deleuze, all you need will be satisfied, but for €15.92. It is 18% more. And why? Because they don't sell the big ketchup bottle. Same situation for Colruyt, where they don't sell the 1.5 liters Coke bottle, but the 2 liters. So this total is 12% more. And the strangest thing is that Coa, who offer the two wanted products, has a total which is cheaper than the two other shops, but anyway 6% more expensive than if you choose to go in the two shops making appeals products. So this is why my project, which can be a powerful tool for manufacturers to promote their products and for the consumer to find info and price about their favorite products. If you have questions, want to take part, have ID, have UI skill or graphic skill.
All right, thanks.
Contact me.
7 minutes. Great show. Thank you very much.